Hello everyone, good morning. I am Prerna and today I am present here to deliver a short speech on the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, whose full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat in a Gujarati Hindu Banya family. His father Karamchand Gandhi was Diwan at the Porbandar estate and his mother was Putlibai. He was the third child of his parents. In May 1883, at the age of 13 years, he was married to a 14-year-old girl named Kasturba Bai. He completed his education in India and trained law at Inner Temple, London. In 1883, he moved to South Africa to represent an Indian merchant in lawsuit. In South Africa, he faced many problems because of his skin color and heritage. In South Africa, black people are treated unequal to white people. But due to the efforts of Mahatma Gandhi, black people get all the rights which white people have. In 1915, after 21 years, Mahatma Gandhi returned back to India and joined Indian National Congress in 1921. He led nationwide campaigns for expanding women's rights, for achieving Swaraj, for ending untouchability, for easing poverty. He led many freedom movements such as Champaran agitation in 1970, Kheda agitation in 1918, Khilafat movement in 1919, non-cooperation movement in 1920, Salt Satyagraha in 1930, Quit India movement in 1942. During these movements, he went to jail many times, but due to the efforts of many leaders and Mahatma Gandhi, India got its independence on 15th August 1947. Due to the partition of India on religion basis, religious violence are occurring in the India, which are stopped by Mahatma Gandhi's fasting. On 30 January 1948, during evening prayer, a Hindu nationalist, Nathuram Godse, fired 3 bullets in his chest, due to which he passed away from the world. He was popularly known as Bapu and father of the nation. His birthday 2nd October is celebrated in India as Gandhi Jayanti and worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. His death day 30 January is celebrated in India as Shahid Divas. His Samadhi is situated at bank of river Yamuna known as Rajghat. His notable works include his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. That's all. Thank you.